Hey everyone, this is Lori, and in this video I'm going to talk about another online course that's called 7 Free Ways to Make Passive Income Online. Now, right now, at the time I'm making this video, it is on sale on Udemy for $18.99, but I cannot guarantee how long it will be on sale. So when if you're watching this video and it's not on sale right now, there's nothing I can do about that because they run a lot of sales. You can always come back later and see if it's on sale if you don't want to pay the $99. But if you're going to learn something online, there's a lot of free courses out there, but what I've found is that they only touch on the basics. They don't go into much detail, and they don't really get down into the nitty-gritty of the things that you find or you learn in the paid courses. So this is one course that is highly rated. It's out of 5 stars. It's 4.5. It has 103 ratings, 674 people have enrolled, and it's been updated for 2020. And one thing that I like about these courses is that the instructors are really good about trying to keep them updated, so they're relevant for current time. So even if it's 2021 when you watch this video, more than likely it's going to be updated ongoing, as long as the information stays relevant and the ways that they're talking about are still relevant. So in this, what you'll learn is the 7+ online passive income streams. And if you're not sure what online passive income is, it's where you do the work once, you get it out there, you market it, and you make money ongoing. Okay, so like an ebook. You can write an ebook, put it online, do the marketing, promote it, and you just sell the ebook itself. You don't have to keep making the ebook. You make it once and you sell it over and over. So that's and you can do that with a lot of different ways, especially with digital products. So you can start making money without any initial funds. Now, I know that kind of sounds weird. We're talking about free ways to make money online, but it's a paid course. Again, the free videos are good, but they don't get into the details, okay? So I'm very big on training. I'm very big on learning skills. And the only way to really get the information that you really need without spending hours, days, weeks, months, sometimes finding good information, take a paid course. It is well worth it. Invest in yourself. And because knowledge really is power, and the more you know, the more you understand, the more successful you can be if you stick with it and apply what you learn. So it works for U.S. and international students. So this isn't just something that's for the U.S. It can be worldwide. Passive income streams that he's talking about are free, but there's also some tools that you can purchase, and they're usually one-time fees to make those passive income opportunities much easier for you. Okay? And there's one in particular that I'm going to go over that I'm going to recommend that is a very good selling product if you want to make ebooks. Okay, so the requirements. No prior knowledge is required. You just need a computer. It could be a tablet, Mac, or iOS, Android. Some stuff you might be able to do on your phone. However, I personally don't like to do a lot of work on my phone because you're very limited to what you can do and how much you can do, and it really slows me down. So just bring an open mind and willingness to learn. All of these ways are easy to learn. Okay, so there's nothing that's going to be way over your head. And be like a completely different language. So I encourage you to really stick with it and don't give up. Okay, so he's going to go over 7+ websites. All of the websites are free to use, and his personal experience with each website, tricks and tips, and earnings based on how much work you want to do. And one of the great things about working online is you can do as many things as you want to do for as long as you want to do them, and your income potential is unlimited. Okay, so if you are already, let's say you have a full-time job, but you want to get some other income streams, this is perfect. This is a perfect opportunity for you to really, set up some additional income sources. Okay, so I'm not going to go through all of this verbatim because I'll leave the link to this training course in the description of this video. You can come out and check it out for yourself at your own pace. Okay, so over here it's 1.5 hours of on-demand video. So again, it's at your own pace. You can buy it today or buy it and then come back when you want. You'll have lifetime access. You can watch the videos as many times as you want. You have access to the training instructor if you want to ask questions and things like that. And you also get a certificate of completion at the end of it. Let's see what else. Here's some video or some other courses that people have bought that's taken this course. Here is the course content, so you can go through, you can preview it, and see if it's something that you want to get into and, and actually purchase. Alright, so there it is. I'll leave a link in the description. Here's his bio. He also has another course that you might want to look into. And I wish you the best of luck. I hope this helps. I am going to be coming up with more ideas for online courses for people because, again, learn from training and your chances to be successful increase drastically. Okay? Thanks for watching and good luck to you.